We got 2022 Contenders football. 5 autographs. Looking for 1 parallel and 18 inserts on average. 1 on-card auto. So, bunch of different things to look for in here. We got a bunch of rookies to look for. So, let's find them. Let's do it. How many packs were there? 18 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just gonna pull them out. Empty box. 07907. I think that means insane hit. We'll see. Parker. Oh, he's not in here. Parker was keeping track of that stuff for a little while. Kind of funny. When they had like their serial numbers that they were looking at or whatever it was. Okay, here we go. Good luck. Let's pull something big to make the ball of highlights or whatever. Like last night. Diggs, Daniel Jones, Michael Carter, Aaron Donald. Is this our auto? Maybe not. Oh, look at that. First pack. Auto. Khalil Shakir. We got a Bills and Colts. This is James Cook and Alec Pierce. For these, I'll just like flip a coin for these basically at the end. I mean, unless we get like something crazy, but I mean, I'll flip a coin, disperse them out as well as I can. So there's our auto, which I believe, yeah. Let's see, this is on-card auto. 1 on-card auto per box. That was a sticker auto, which is kind of strange. I don't know. Oh wait, there's 5 autos. What am I thinking? There's 5 autos in here. Okay, jeez. Why didn't somebody say something? All right, we're back. Here we go. Marcus Mariota, Derek Carr, Nick Chubb, Jalen Waddle, Brandon Cooks, and insert Patrick Mahomes, Supernatural. It's a cool one. Cool one too. I can't believe nobody said something. Chad, you idiot. You thought there's only 1 auto in here? There's 5. 1 auto down. Leonard Fournette, James Robinson, Josh Allen, Jared Goff. Second auto, I'm guessing, is Alec Pierce. Blue. We got Lamar Jackson. Alec Pierce. This is not numbered. Not numbered, but wide receiver for the Colts. Rookie wide receiver. It's kind of got like it's like a rookie card logo design. Like that's what's in the background here. So blue logo, maybe, whatever. If that's what you want to call it. But that's our on-card auto, for sure. So there's that. 2 autos down. Kyler Murray, Cordell Patterson, Darren Waller, Mark Cooper, Deebo Samuel, and another dual card here. Quentin Nelson, TJ Watt, Colts Steelers. So we'll random that one. Flip a coin. Even it out. Put all those aside. Patrick Mahomes, DJ Moore, Austin Eckler, Russell Wilson, Damian Harris, and Garrett Wilson, Rookie of the Year. Next pack. Aaron Rodgers, Najee Harris, Justin Jefferson, Gabriel Davis, Jordan Stout, rookie auto, sticker auto for the Ravens, and Jalen Hurts, game day ticket in the back. Auto number 3 already. For the Ravens, we got the Ravens. Ravens, Steven. Colts was Colts. Parker. And Bills was Blake. There we go. Keenan Allen, Cortland Sutton, DK Metcalf, Matthew Stafford, Lamar Jackson, and Josh Allen, MVP contenders. Go back to the left stack. Baker Mayfield, Kadarius Toney, Ezekiel Elliott, Mac Jones, Matt Ryan. Power players, I'm guessing. Myles Garrett. Cool insert. Kind of comic-ish design. Can't really see the top letters, but whatever. George Kittle, Aaron Jones, Taylor Heineke, Dalvin Cook, Ty Chandler, rookie auto for the Vikings, which is Steven as well. Steven as well. Debo, MVP contenders. Steven in the lead with 2 autos. Up. We got 1 auto left. Bunch of packs to go, so. Elijah Moore, Cooper Kupp, Mark Andrews, Tyrann Mathieu, Tom Brady, and Charles Woodson. This is maybe like a refractor. Ooh, numbered 93 of 99. So this one will definitely random off there between the Patriots and the Raiders. Patriots being Charles, and Raiders is Parker. Charles and Parker. We'll have a battle for that. And John Riggins, Gladiators. Nice. 2 Hall of Famers. Number 99, 93 of 99. Take that. We'll random that off here at the end between those 2. Saquon, Dak Prescott, Trevor Lawrence, Kyle Pitts, Devontae Adams, and James Cook. Rookie of the Year, James Cook for the Bills. So that must be our 1 parallel, I guess. Michael Thomas, Donnell Mooney, Devonta Smith, DeAndre Swift, Travis Kelce, and Hunter. Power players. Myles Garrett, Trey Lance, Nico Collins, Deontay Johnson, Kirk Cousins, Jalen Hurts, AJ Brown, touchdown tandems. That's a cool card. Surprised you didn't trade for the Eagles, Dylan. Joe Burrow.
I tried to.
What'd you say?
I tried to.
Oh, did you? Oh. Mike Williams, Javonte Williams, Geno Smith, Shaquille Leonard, and Michael Vick, legendary insert. Last pack on the right side. Still got 1 auto left, I believe. J.J. Watt, Jameson Winston, Justin Fields, A.J. Brown, Derrick Henry, and Cooper Kupp, Matthew Stafford touchdown tandems. for the Rams. 3 packs left. If we only have a couple of the like duos to random off, we'll do those as well, other than just flipping a coin off video. So Michael Pittman, DeAndre Hopkins, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, T. Higgins, and we got an auto. So I'm going to set the auto down. We got Aaron Donald, Gladiators. We'll save the auto for the very end. Last card, just in case. A.J. Dillon, Terry McLaurin, Adam Thielen, Christian McCaffrey, Justin Herbert. Winning ticket, Lamar Jackson. Not numbered, but kind of a cool insert there. And last pack for our last auto. CeeDee Lamb, Ramondre Stevenson, Jonathan Taylor, Marquise Brown, Juju, and Marshall Faulk. Ticket. Game day ticket. There it is. Okay, so last card here is an auto, number 273 for the Dolphins. Kevin was trying to trade away the Dolphins, and now he's got the last auto. Tanner Connor, which is tight end from Idaho State. Tanner Connor, T. Higgins there as well, is our last auto. So, a little recap before we hop back over and randomize 3 cards I think we got here. So James Cook, Garrett Wilson, Rookie of the Year's inserts. These are our autos. We got Tanner Connor, Jordan Stout for the Ravens, Ty Chandler for the Vikings, Khalil Shakir for the Bills. Our on-card auto, not numbered, is Alec Pierce, wide receiver out of Cincinnati. Rookie wide receiver. Nice blue though, color match. I like that. So not terrible. And then last card, or parallel, was the Tom Brady Charles Woodson like duo card. So we're going to randomize this one, 93 of 99. So we'll randomize this one right now, and then as well as this one and this one. So Bills, Colts, Steelers. So let's hop over and I'll randomize these 3. Stick around, stick in here. I'm gonna swap back over to this screen. Pop. Those were any of the teams. I don't know, but if not, alright, well, stick around. Here we go. So I'm gonna get rid of this, and then I'm gonna reopen a couple tabs. Get us a dice roller. Mic back over here. Okay, so first one was the James Cook and Alec Pierce. James Cook for the Bills, so Blake. And for the Colts, we got Parker. So we're all 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll use that same dice for all of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Whoever's on the top, Parker. Let me write that on a sticky note. Parker. It's the first one, and then Colts, which is Parker again. And the Steelers, which was Dylan. We'll randomize it the same thing 9 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't think Parker's name moved there. Okay, Parker won that one as well. Making it easy, I guess. First two cards to Parker, and our last one is between, what do you know? Patriots, Charles here, and the Raiders, Parker. So this is for the Tom Brady, Charles Woodson, numbered to 99. Same thing, 9 spins. I'm putting whoever's on the top or the left of the card up on top, and then the second one here. So that's how I've been doing it on each one. 9 times. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Parker takes all 3 of them. Boom. Okay. There we have it. Parker takes down all 3 randoms. And that'll do it.